Hello, this installation video is for OneStop Plus, Anti-Scale model numbers OSP 1465 and 1665. Dear installer, the OneStop Plus system differs from a conventional softener or media filter in a number of key respects. The cartridge is light and only partially filled with media. This is normal. The upflow operation of the system requires a lot of freeboard to allow the bed to fully fluidize. Please see an important note about iron and manganese in the water supply. Please see the note about using OneStop Plus with other water treatment equipment. Your system comes with the following components: OneStop Plus media tank, outlet screen socket installed into the tank, inlet screen socket installed into the tank. The component is integrated with inlet screen and 2-inch union socket. Media buckets. Lay the tank down and check the inlet socket connection on the bottom of the tank. It is common for it to loosen during shipment. The systems and media are packaged separately. Open the top outlet socket to load the media. Reattach the socket after the media is loaded and hand tighten. Do not over tighten. Connect a union fitting and elbow to the inlet socket connection on the bottom. Note the unions are not threaded and piping must be connected using PVC adhesive. Connect the inlet and outlet plumbing according to your preferences and applicable local codes. Include sample and drain ports with hose bib connections on the inlet and outlet piping to facilitate startup and service. Important: we recommend the installation of a dual union ball valve on the inlet and outlet to isolate the tank for servicing. A full bypass should be installed so that the full service flow can be routed around the system as needed for servicing. The OneStop Plus system operates in the upflow mode, which is the opposite of a conventional softener. The inlet is on the bottom, the outlet on the top. Warning: the full weight of the piping and valves must be supported by unistrut, pipe hangers or other means. The tank connections cannot support the weight of the piping. This is how the multi-tank system installation should look. To start up the system, connect a hose to the hose bib on the outlet of the tank. Run the hose to a drain. Slowly, partially, open the supply water ball valve. Allow the tank to slowly fill with water. When a steady stream of water appears at the drain, close the supply valve. Open the inlet and outlet valves on the system. Transfer the bypass valves from bypass to the service position. Open a nearby faucet downstream from the OneStop Plus system to relieve any air. Check for leaks and repair as needed. Your OneStop Plus now is ready for use to improve the properties of water throughout your installation. Please visit our website to download more information and installation guide. www.globalwatersolutions.com